Hey, what's going on, everybody? I hope you're having a great day. And I learned a very cool feature that will come in handy when it comes to iPhones. And I imagine this will work with iPads as well. So let's just say you're typing a message, and as you can see, I have a mistake. Normally, you'd have to hold your finger down and then move over, and it's not so much fun. But I learned this little trick this morning. If you hold the space bar down, you can actually slide it back and forth, and then you could come in here and you could fix your mistake. You could get rid of that dot. You could do this in messages. You can also do this in emails as well. So how cool is that? So I wanted to share this really helpful tip. I happen to have the iPhone 6s, and this is my work phone, but this should work on all iPhones, and as I mentioned, try it on an iPad as well. Anyway, I hope this is of help to you, and if it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share with others so you can make their life easier when you need to fix a mistake. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thanks for watching.